how to add conditional alerts in Smartsheet. So first go to Smartsheet and then just open up one of your sheets. So next is just click on automations here at the top. And then here you can just click on or choose one of the templates here. So let's say I just want to create my own alert. You can just click on create from scratch. And then here, let's say I want my alert to be when, let's say, any field changes. Okay, I want everybody to be alerted. Okay, so I'm just going to select this. Instead of send to specific people, I want it to be sent to everyone. Okay, so send to everyone, shared to this sheet. Okay, so then everyone will be alerted when something or when any of the fields has been changed. Okay, so once you've done that, you can just click on save here. Okay, now make sure it's running. So as you can see, if it's the bell is looking like this, it means it's active. And then if it looks like this, it means inactive. Okay, so let's just go back here, and then you can just try triggering it. So just try changing anything here. So it kind of sometimes it's slow to send you notifications, but if you want to know how it would look like, you can just test here, run workflow, and then you can see your notification here, and then there you go. Okay, so it will look like this, but right now it shows the whole table here. But if you just, let's say you just change something like this, only the in progress here, or you just change the resource allocation percentage here, then the only thing that shows on your notification will be the resource allocation. Okay, so that's about it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.